Okay, we just arrived. Ano lang, I am just new.
And this is my build from Temu. Look, this is my build from Temu. Please don't laugh at me, motherfuckers.
Okay. Ito yung build ko sa ito yung build ko sa sa survival. Ito.
So, it's a roller coaster from Temu.
Ito. Bumait na ako, bro.
And this is from Temu. Again.
Sarado.
The exit number.
Gusto nyo ano?
It's not exit. This Temu roller coaster that I made.
Okay, magmamain ngayon tayo.
Let's go down.
Let's go na mine. I'm gonna mine, bro.
So,
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
I'm afraid of the dark. I am
Let
afraid
me
of
pick some.
I am afraid of the dark.
So this is the villager house from Temu that I built.
Okay.
This is
Ano?
the villager
We are
house.
going to compare which one
And
is the
this
best build, bro. You have lack of sleep. You have lack of sleep. I don't.
Man, this sucks. Oh, it's a big slime. I can kill it. Get here.
You cannot see it in my field, but you can see it on his field. Check his channel or
Get here.
check this under.
Get here. Oh, na. Big slime that you have no fun. Let's pick something.
Okay.
I want. Okay, wow. Let's pick up some wow. Let's go. Go to our because it's raining. Let's go. It's run. It's run, motherfuckers. It's my
Stop saying that.
Okay na, bro.
We are kid
So
friendly.
this my
We are not kid friendly. We are fucking cute.
Man, this sucks. What the?
Let's go. Let's
Do
go.
it. So this. Today we are dropping a collab again. Next time.
What? The next time, bro.
We're dropping a collab tomorrow.
Why your cat
But
is
it's
here?
night.
Why your cat is here, bro? Why your scary cat is here? It's gonna bite you.
It's not gonna bite you, it's gonna eat you, motherfucker. Now don't be scared. It's just a little cat who has no... What? Oh, yan na, bro. Get out of here. Just
Grabe ka naman, grabe ka. Ay, napasobra na,
get here.
He's gripping me, bro.
Get here, ambing.
Let's go.
Okay, it's still ulan-ulan.
What's that, bro? What's that video?
Wait. Okay, that's one. So this is my friend that built me. It's so cool.
That's me.
This is my
Yan,
friend that made.
automated farm, bro.
This called automatic farm with a P in the pole. So this is my pole from Temu.
Let's continue, guys, cause my friend left. Cause it's raining, bro. Okay. Gonna continue here. Gotta do this myself, cause it's nice. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's right now. Shit. Oh shit. No. Not going there. In fucking not go. No, in no. Not going there. Also move doctor. Then need you somewhere to defend. To defend my base. Some security. What the fuck am I saying? But oh no, that if there's a drama, okay? No, just no there. Just no time. No. Yes. Yes. Yeah. And oh, this is huge, bro. Let's see if something is good enough here. Let's wait a couple minutes. Wait. Okay. Yes, when you I think I'm gonna do XP on. You know that's weird. The problem is I don't have enough iron to make water. So wait. Oh shit. No. Put the purple over. Put the purple over. Bucket. There's only one. Yeah, we're gonna just do one. Okay. Also, we're creating our own fucking farm. We are not starving to death, bro. We can do our own. Okay. Let's do this. Also, this is where I'm planning to go. Yes, what the fuck is this? Oh, sure, okay. Okay, now, gonna put this and then it's already morning and we're gonna just put this. I am very energetic right now because we're gonna have tofu finally. Let's do it right here. Right back. That's your problem, bro. My farm, get up. There are no water, okay? Let's go here. Alright, I think that's all for today. See ya!